Oh wow, hello there everyone, it's Tom Kamosik here. So this video is kind of special for it. Although this video is mainly for the Enzo Ferrari, but still, my channel has achieved of 3 years. Yes, my channel has been here for 3 years, taking videos at only now 2,730. That's pretty low. I mean, it's not even something big and achieved to someone who take videos and upload to YouTube for 3 years. I mean, yeah, whatever. Yeah, I gotta admit, I'm pretty suck. So, I'm guessing someone asked why I am 3 years now. The first car that's out in 2017 in January. I mean, sure, that's one of my plot like video, which is first come out. But if you count that, look here, and I should type my first video, which is private, and the title at first. So if I type that in here, it should be pop up here, like here. Look at it. This is my first ever video. It says how to download MCP, which is a stupid video for myself. I mainly regard putting it on YouTube, and and let's see what is the date of it published. Okay, just see. It's 2016 October 24, which today is October 24 of 2019. So basically today is my 3rd year anniversary of this channel. Yeah, yay! So I must do something to celebrate, but I don't know what to do. Maybe I will ask in the communities. I will ask in communities and look for your suggestions. So yeah, go back to the video.